and Theatre Artist for the Dreams Achiever Award 2022. Tanvi Mathur, Stage and Open Mic Artist. Let me say a few things about Tanvi. Tanvi Mathur is a stage and open mic artist. She is born and brought up in Bhopal. She started her acting career with Manorang Theatre Group, Thane in 2019. Yes, you heard me right. She has most of her memorable work in performing stand-up shows, anchoring and writing stories. She has written her first ebook, Selina's Diaries, available now on Amazon. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to call her here on stage on this wonderful afternoon. I would request all of you to please give a huge round of applause for Tanvi, and let's call her on stage. She's specially here for all of us to make us laugh and have a great memory. So all the best to you, and thank you so much for joining us. Over to you.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for having me here. I'm delighted to be here. And are you well? Yes. Are you well? Yes. Excellent. I just want to share a woman is woman's true friend. Agreed? And I have got a friend who is a doctor. She is a brilliant woman, and we were having those lovely catch-up chats, and suddenly my husband just screamed. I asked my lady doctor friend, hey, my husband just swallowed an aspirin by mistake. What shall I do now? She replied simply, give him a headache. Why waste medicine, right? So I decided to go on shopping with her. You know, when your husband goes shopping and he says, do you want anything? And he wants you to say no, but instead you give him a list. I love doing that, you know. Sometimes I realize I even don't need those things just to see the look at his face. How many of you do this? I think many of us do this frequently. Husband, 3 cheers for our husband, please. Okay, so, and I told you, Espen worked there, and she's a brilliant woman, absolutely, and she got separated from her husband. Generally, people take time to reach any decision, 10 years, 1 year, or even months. But she got separated from her husband on very fine day of her wedding at church. Of course, it was not her fault. This time, it was the father, because what father says, in a marriage, 2 people become one. Which one do you want to become? Of course, it should be her poor husband. And I also missed going on shopping with my husband during lockdown. And after lockdown, I decided to go on solo trip, just to give him a space. So I decided to go to Udhampur, that is my auntie's place, nearby Haryana, Rajasthan border, right? So what I saw there, when I reached there, I saw my auntie with some of her ladies, and one lady, Ranu Subedar, her neighbor, was sitting on unction for feminism, right? And on the other side, many policemen stalls were there. They are lodging FIR door to door. You know, door to door FIR was in trend in a small town. And I saw a super jacked dude boy complaining that someone has stolen his hand, chicken. He was looking me like an alien, and he just staring at me so badly that I had to ask him, do I look like a murgi chor? And he was looking at me from the right side. I turned my face to the left and saw many banners, posters, news channel reporters, complete footage for Ranu Subedar and her gang. I asked one of the policemen, why is unction for feminism here? And he said, घणो तमाशा करती रहती है मंडली, इसीलिए तो नाम पड़ा है उधमपुर. इतने में रानू सुबेदार, meanwhile she called me, इतने आजा छोड़ी मैं बताऊं तन्ने मैं भी high school pass हूँ. And she shows one potato chips packet to me, and I saw potato chips, my favorite, बड़े करारे लगते हैं जी. And she said, छोरी देख के लिखा है ये, अंकल चिप्स. आंटी चिप्स नहीं लिख सकते उल्लू के पट्टे. क्यों? आंटी क्या करारी नहीं होती है? और ये अंकल कब से करारे लगने लगे लेस वालों को? Thank you so much. That was my time. I hope you enjoyed a lot. Okay, thank you. Can I ask the anchor, or beautiful anchor Shaina? Yeah. Please come. Thank you.
applause, ladies and gentlemen, for her for being so sporty and so wonderful and joining us today. Thank you so much. What would you like to say about your experience? I've already given you an introduction, but today you are here with us at such a great platform. Would you like to say something about KGM and about our wonderful co-founders?
Definitely, I would like to thank Kavita ma'am and Ryan sir. And this is the first time I am here to perform with KGM. And definitely, I will look for more opportunities. They are so humble guys. They are very genuine people. And really, I like each and everyone designers outfits there. They are so awesome. I think we should, we are so blessed. We have such generous celebrities or generous people with us to encourage people. We need this because I'm also a housewife, and after 2018, I started doing the stand-ups. I will be looking these kind of opportunities so much, and they are very good people. And 3 cheers for our guest of honors, and 3 cheers for everyone here.
Thank you once again for joining us and making us laugh. It was a pleasure having you here with us. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, last few fashion shows to go, last few amazing designs to go. But before that, I hope all of you please have a seat. We are having a wonderful time here. Ladies and gentlemen, few more minutes. We have something important to announce all of you. How many of you are excited to meet Kainat? I am. My hands are up. मैं बहुत लकी हूँ क्योंकि मैं उनके बाजू में ही खड़ी रहूँगी आज और बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स मुझे तो मिल जाएंगे पर आपको भी पिक्चर्स चाहिए किसको चाहिए I can help you to get some pictures. I am going to pick up three such people who will get a chance to click picture with Kainat on stage. For that, you have to stay back with me. Of course, मैं lucky हूँ, पर आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. All right. So you guys want to click a picture with her? No. आपकी Wi-Fi है? हाँ या ना? कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहे हो. Picture चाहिए? कुछ नहीं. Wi-Fi है? कुछ नहीं. क्या बोलेगा बेचारा शादीशुदा बंदा? Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, she'll be here anytime. What's the time, by the way? I don't know, I don't have phone, I don't have... 3:34. Alright, so she'll be here anytime. Also, as you can see, it's not only a fashion show, but आज हम सम्मानित भी करने जा रहे हैं Dreams Achievers Award, the one who have fulfilled their dreams, जिन्होंने लड़ा है बाहर जाके और अपने सपने साकार किए हैं. आज हम उन सबको सम्मानित करेंगे, उन सबको स्टेज पे बुलाएंगे. And those strong people will get awards from Kainat Arora. She'll be here on stage in next few minutes. Meanwhile, can I request Riyansh to please join me on stage? He is not here, I could see that. But if anyone can just quickly call Riyansh to join me on stage. Also, ladies and gentlemen, आप सबने photos लिए हैं, pictures लिए हैं. I know आप KGM तो tag करोगे, मुझे भी tag करना. My name is MC Shaina Khan, EMCEESHAINA. I have not taken any of my pictures, but if you tag me, I'll be very grateful to repost them on my social media and connect with all of you. Alright, so कुछ ही देर में we are going to have our next performance, our next designers are going to showcase their wonderful performance for all of you, and Kainat will be here joining us in next couple of minutes. I want all of you to please be seated and please do join me. So ladies and gentlemen, taking just few seconds of all of yours, and I would request my team, can we meanwhile play a good music and just let the lights go off? And let me come up with the next surprise for all of you in next 60 seconds. There we go.